Access rules allow a user to use their physical or mobile credential to access and control specific doors and devices. Let's go through how to create access rules for a person or a group, found either in a group page or in a user profile on the people page. First, press the button labeled Add Rule next to Access Rules. 4 different types of rules will be available to you to create: Access, Elevator, Event, and Anti-Passback. Access should be selected by default. First, you need to set a schedule for the rule. Click the Schedule drop-down menu and select either Always, Reoccurring, or Single Date. Let's start with the default schedule option, Always, which designates that the rule will always be active. If you select a reoccurring schedule, you'll be prompted to input a begin time, end time, and select the days of the week that this rule will be active. If you select a single date schedule, you'll be prompted to input a start time, stop time, and single day that you want this rule active. After selecting your schedule, you can input your authentication policy, determining which type of credential you'll be accepted, either PIN or card, or a combination of the two. Next, you can click on the button labeled Edit Devices to select which devices you want this rule to apply to. Once you have selected your chosen devices, press Save. Lastly, you need to select either Allow or Deny for the action. Selecting Allow will allow access to the door or device for this person or group, while selecting Deny will deny access for that person or group. Finally, select Submit, and you're all done. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.